With approximately 40% of the EPL season now behind us, it's safe to say that the winners of the league this season will come from one of Arsenal, Liverpool, and Manchester City, as per my pre-season predictions that had Man City winning from Arsenal, from Liverpool. And we have to say this, my team Liverpool is surprising me. I know them is better than Manchester United and Chelsea, but that's not hard. I really and truly never expected Liverpool to be competing and contending for the title this season. After the total midfield overall, I was thinking the boss needs at least one full season to gel the team and we give it a go next season. But the brilliant manager, Jurgen Klopp, in short order, has Liverpool looking like Liverpool again. Yes, and especially with Man City dropping points left, right, and center. The Maverick is beginning to dream. Yes. Not just about finishing ahead of Manchester United. That's a small dream. Yes. We're dreaming bigger. We're looking at the bigger picture, the bigger dream. Yes. The Maverick dream, we are living the trophy.